Aloha, everybody. Michael here. Wanted to say hello, touch bases with everybody, and see how everybody's doing. So, I am actually doing really well. I had a beautiful weekend, spent a lot of time with my wife and daughter and my in laws. And yeah, just found that, simply appreciating what I have is really the easiest way to recharge. I a couple of weeks ago went through a lot of change and experienced a bout of depression that lasted about a day or so. And yeah, when that happens, it actually doesn't happen nearly as often as it used to. The last time I had a bout was in November 1st of last year. So my ability to take any and all experiences and simply become more aware of who and what I am is how I process information. And what I do is I just simply feel everything. So I use all of my senses and I accept that there are other sensory perceptions and ways of accepting and receiving information. And I call those the three spiritual senses. So we are able to have a sense of space. It's called proprioception. We have the ability to feel motion, and we also have a sense of time. So when we use those along with all of the energy from the electromagnetic spectrum, what we can do is allow ourselves to become more informed because energy is information. Get it? Now, if you recognize that the truth does not hurt, denying it will be painful. So, if you understand that all energy comes from the one, the creator, God, Mother Gaia, doesn't matter what you call it, it's all occurring to every being. And we have these different perceptions. And that's a good thing. Each one of our realities is actually occurring to us, or we wouldn't exist. So, feel everything, learn from every experience. Sometimes it's what not to do. So, we have plenty of plenty of foolishly acting people who show us what not to do or what not to say. But as we become more aware, we reconnect with those that are encouraging us to believe in ourselves. So, even though you cannot waste your time because there's an infinite supply of it, you can spend your time more wisely by simply paying attention to how you feel currently. So, I am feeling very peaceful right now. And I'm always either feeling peaceful or becoming more peaceful. And I don't have any expectations that anything is going to last forever because we already have the eternal now available whenever we wish. So, pay attention to how you feel by simply being present. Feel whatever energy is coming to you because it is meant for you. If it's painful, that's an indication of great change. The more painful it is, the more relieved you will feel after you process that information. That information, as you process it, becomes knowledge. Until it becomes knowledge, it's just information. It's just data. It's just ones and zeros. If you allow yourself to transform that information using your emotions, energy in motion, you will become more informed, and that will become your knowledge. Everything that has ever occurred to you is partially true. Are there times when people intend to deceive us? Yes. So if we already know that, then why do we get mad at that? Well, we get mad at that because we don't understand why it's occurring to us. So everything that has ever occurred to you was meant to occur to you, or it wouldn't occur to you. So learn to be more receptive to change. Friction is necessary to cause things to occur, chemical reactions, all these other processes of life. And we're all taking in the same information: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, different combinations of those, other elements, nutrients, experiences. So know that God loves you perfectly. God knows that you will, at times, deny the truth of your existence. God is not punishing you. God is providing you with exactly the right amount of information for you to become more aware, so that you will become what you are meant to be. And then you will know why you are here on earth. So, enjoy the process. I love you. Namaste.